Detective, detective, detective. A person, especially a police officer, whose occupation is to investigate and solve crimes.
Hi Viraj, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm really worried. My friend Anna, she has lost her cat and I'm not able to find it. I've looked everywhere but I'm not able to find it at all.
I know someone who's a detective. He can help you. Let's go meet him.
Come, let's go, let's go.
Hi, what are you looking for?
Oh, I'm finding clues for my latest case.
Can you also help find my friend's cat? My friend lost her cat and we haven't been able to find it.
It's just a cat. Ah, I'm the best detective here. I solve all the cases. I'll definitely help you find the cat. Come on, let's go, let's go.
Let's use detective in a sentence now. Anna's friend decided to hire a detective to find her missing cat.